Hello everyone, I'm back with a very crisp, short and effective tutorial for you all. Those who would like to download videos from the Twitter, but you don't have to have any app, you don't have to have any extension for that to do. So I'll just take 1 minute of yours and I'll show you live how you can download the video from the Twitter handle of yours, and which you can use for your own purpose. So this is one of the video that I would like to download and I would like to show it to my students. So what will I do? I will do a right click on the video
and proteins.
I'll do a right click on the video and I'll click on copy video address. Once that's done, I'll go to Google. I'll search this option, Twitter video download, and I'll go with the first address, the first link. As you can see, Twitter video downloader. The link for this address I'll leave in the video description below. So now what will I do? I'll just paste what I have copied from the video and I'll hit the download button, and you can see you have given with 3 different options. So definitely I know we all will go ahead with the highest quality of the video. So I'll do one thing, I'll go ahead with the 720 pixel. I'll hit the download option.
One way is,
and once the video has started playing again here, I'll click on these 3 dots. As you can see, 3 vertical dots, and you get to see the option here, download. So hit that option. And yes, I think my video is downloaded. It's just 4.2 MB though. Perfect. Now if I go to my download options, here it is. So let me see whether it's really working or not.
One way
Perfect.
is ours.
Okay guys, I hope this video was really helpful for you. And those who have come to my channel for the very first time, you know what to do. Very smart in doing all these things. So subscribe to my channel, hit the like button of the video, share this video with your near and dear ones who you think will be helpful, will find it beneficial after seeing this video. Anyways, that's all for the day. I'll not take much time of yours. I'll be back soon with the next videos. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home, bye.